Hello and welcome everyone. On behalf of Skyway Invest Group, we would like to thank you for taking a couple of minutes of your time to watch this short video. I'm extremely excited to show you this amazing opportunity. Today I'm going to share with you something super powerful that has changed the course of my life and hundreds and thousands of other people. This is not a strategy session for investment. This is an introduction to Skyway Invest Group and Skyway Technology to the people who have never heard of Skyway Innovation. If you ever felt like you have tried everything to progress financially and you're working so darn hard with limited to no results, here's what I can tell you. I know exactly how you feel. Now, I want to highlight this part. If you stay with me till the very end, I will show you how we have raised more than $100 million with the help of 500,000 people. My name is Sasha Lopez. I'm your presenter for this video. I have been a business partner for Skyway Invest Group for almost 2 years now. During this period, I have developed myself to become a speaker and a trainer. I used to be a forex trader in an exclusive company in London City before I joined this project. I love helping others produce bigger and better results for themselves. I'm very passionate about this project because through this project I have traveled to many countries where I met smart, intelligent, successful people. I have spoken on many big stages telling people my journey to financial success, and I've helped thousands of people scaling up their businesses. I'm not telling you all of this because I want to brag, but I'm telling you this because I want you to see this opportunity that I'm going to share with you. The opportunity to live the life you always have desired. I would like to introduce you to Skyway Technology.
The creation of Skyway was inspired by the desire to produce the safest, most efficient, most environmentally friendly and unique mode of transportation. Our solution is a pre-stressed continuous track structure with rail cars with unique aerodynamics moving along it. They are controlled automatically and are set in motion with the help of motor wheels of our own design. These tracks can cross mountains, rivers, marshes, jungles, and tundra with spans of up to 3 kilometers. We design and build cargo, urban, high-speed, and intercity routes. As for the urban trend, which is very important for us, we can increase transportation mobility in cities and transportation accessibility. If you take Paris, for example, today sometimes it can take you 1.5 hours to 2 hours to travel to your workplace. If there were Skyway routes there, the travel time would be reduced by 2 to 3 times. Previously, we designed the units and elements separately, and then during assembly, they did not often fit with each other because they were designed in a different way. When we moved over to the 3D experience platform, these problems were removed because it is possible to trace the entire technology lifecycle from sketches, ideas, and working drawings to production and operation. And the 3D Experience platform is the only tool that makes it possible to implement this kind of approach. I am confident about the success of our project because we are creating a perfect means of transportation, which is demonstrated in our Eco-Technopark in Marina Gorka. And when someone asks me about my dream, I say I would like our safer, more cost-effective, and more environmentally friendly string roads to encircle the globe and be available on all continents.
We are a new innovative passenger and cargo transportation. The creation of Skyway was inspired by the desire to produce the safest, most efficient, most environmentally friendly, and a unique model of transportation. We want to save the planet and add value to people's life. We design and build cargo, urban, high-speed, and inner-city routes. I'm confident about the success of our project because we are creating the perfect means of transport, which is demonstrated in our Eco-Technopark in Belarus. Now, most people ask when they see our technology for the first time if this is real. Yes, all you see on your screen is real images of our technology. This is 12 of our developed models. Our transportation has the speed of between 150 km per hour to 500 km per hour. Skyway is controlled automatically and are set in motion with the help of the motor wheels from our own design. Our technology can be built across any terrains. For example, mountains, rivers, marshes, and jungles with spans with up to 3 kilometers. All successful companies have a business plan. Our business plan has also 15 stages of development. Now, this technology started back in 1978. Technology engineering only started in 2014, so just over 4 years ago. Why I'm showing you this 15 stages of development? Because over the course of the last 4 years, we have completed 13 stages out of the 15. Today, March 2019, we only have 2 more stages to complete before we have finished the whole Skyway technology. In a very near future, we are going to list Skyway Technology Co. on the stock market. This is very important to all those who is involved in this project. Why did it take nearly 40 years to get this technology out to the public? Over the last 4 years, we have received a lot of support from different directions. We have more than 500,000 people supporting us, people that see how this transportation can change the world for the better. However, prior to 2014, the company was not getting as much support as what we are getting now. Our 2 biggest struggles before we got world recognition were finding financial funding to develop our technology and acceptance and support that this technology really works. Now, all that has changed because we have changed our strategy and approach on how to get support and funding for the development of Skyway. Support came massively. Today, our name is in the biggest newspaper in the world. This is just the beginning of the massive success of Skyway Technology and Group.
Sheikh Mohammed today reviewed 2 models of the SkyPod, a new mobility system that's currently being than conventional systems of the same capacity.
An influential group of engineers says elevated light rail should be given the green light.
يمتاز عن وسائل النقل الأخرى ذات الزمن. fully innovative technology. It was
futuristic style that standards in public.
titled «Новая транспортная линия».
Превращают проблемы в сolution.
Thousands and thousands of people tweets, hashtag, or write article about us on a daily basis. Even the Vice President of the UAE and his son. The Crown Prince of Dubai tweeted about Skyway Pod after his father Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum and himself attended the World Government Summit 2019 in Dubai. They are excited about the implementation of Skyway in the UAE. Now, this is also a piece of excitement information that I want to give you. On the map, I have highlighted the global government that has shown a massive interest in Skyway technology. Over 12 countries have signed their MOU's contract with us. MOU stands for Memorandum of Understanding. Behind an amazing company, you have awesome people supporting it all over the globe. Every day, our support team for Skyway is getting larger and larger. We hold workshops, presentations, and seminars in almost every country around the world. Are you beginning to get the picture? What is in it for you? Do you remember what I said at the very beginning of this video? Well, I said I have a special surprise for you today. Well, here's the moment. It's a great surprise, I promise you. We at Skyway Group are offering you to become a co-owner of Skyway Technology. Yes, you heard me right, co-owner. One of the questions I asked you earlier on how would it feel to get monthly or quarterly check of dividends payout for the rest of your life. There is no opportunity like this nowhere in the world. However, this unique surprise will not be available much longer. Very soon, the company will have completed all the development stages of the technology. So how amazing day is it today to hear such an amazing opportunity? Today, a massive company like Skyway is giving you the choice to become a customer of the transport and co-owner. Wow! An opportunity like this doesn't come around often, but don't worry, you are not going to miss out, I promise you. I'm not going to take all the credit for giving you this unique opportunity. Dr. Anatoly Yuniski, General Designer and Chairman of Skyway Technology, and Andrei Horatov, CEO of Skyway Invest Group, were the ones who came up with this fabulous idea. Almost 5 years ago, they decided to create a business partnership. Dr. Anatoly Yuniski is the mastermind behind this whole technology. He has been creating this innovative option since 1978. He's an engineer and a scientist and has 40 years plus experience in this industry. He also has 150 inventions and 100 patents worldwide. During the course of these 40 years, Dr. Anatoly Yunitsky fought to get support for the Skyway innovation during all these years. However, all that changed when Andrei Horatov came into the game. Andrei is the mastermind when it comes to financing, investment, and business development. He's also the creator of the Academy of Private Investors. This partnership has created a great and unique opportunity for everyone who is watching this video right now. In 2014, Andrei founded the Skyway Invest Group platform to raise funding for the development of the technology. Today, we have raised more than $100 million through our platforms with the help of extraordinary people. We have two options of how you can get your hands on our pre-IPO equity bonus. The first one is with our one-off payment system. This system is a straightforward system. You click the amount that you desire and you complete the payment. Our other option is the monthly installment payment. This option is for anyone who likes to purchase a bigger EIP package but who would prefer to do that in a monthly installment. This interest-free option spread the total cost in a 10 months installment system. Now, if you're wondering where all the $100 million that we have raised so far has gone to, let me show you. This is our Eco Techno Park in Marina Gorka, which is in the Republic of Belarus. This is our 36 hectares of land where we have built and developed all the 12 technology models I showed you earlier on. Now, we are also building another innovation center in the UAE that will be showcased this year. All this goodness doesn't finish here. Are you ready to learn how to get money to work for you? Let me show you how your life can look like if you change the reality that you're living now. If you would have invested in Amazon in 1997 and you would have invested $1,000, you would have received 578 Amazon shares. At that point, the price was $173. 21 years later, if you would have sold on the 25th of September 2018 all your Amazon shares, you would have got a payout of $1.1 million. Let's take another example. If you would have invested in Apple in 1980, $1,000, you would have owned 1,960 Apple shares. If you would have held on those shares for 38 years, and you would have sold them on the 25th of September 2018, the whole amount of 1,960 Apple shares, you would have received a 426,000 plus payout in cash. Another example. This is a shorter example. Bitcoin. If you would have invested $1,000 in Bitcoin in 2010, you would have owned 14,285,000 Bitcoins. If you would have waited for 8 years before deciding to sell them, then you would have had, on the 22nd of September, 95,557,000 and more. That is a great return on investment. That is amazing. Skyway technology chart. This chart is just for visualization purposes. This is an example how Skyway look like when it's listed on the stock market. In the previous three chart, I've showed you what $1,000 can do, right? Well, let's get back to reality where you are right now. Let's say today you purchase your EIP package worth of $1,000. In that $1,000 package, you receive 37,000 pre-IPO equity shares bonus. But let's say, for an example, that you hold on those pre-IPO equity shares for 6 years and decide on March 2025 to sell them all. At that moment, you receive a payout of $7.3 million. That is a life-changing amount to change the course of your life. When I show you the last chart, did you go into the future and imagine all the amazing things this opportunity I shared with you today can create for you? Well, I did it for you. Now the only thing left to do before you do a quantum leap is enroll now and let's get started on setting your financial future together. I want to thank you for watching and hope to see you soon in one of our main big events.